On June 17, 1885, the Statue of Liberty arrived in New York Harbor, a monumental gift from France symbolizing freedom and democracy. This iconic statue, designed by French sculptor Frederic Auguste Bartholdi, served as a beacon of hope for immigrants arriving in America. During that period, France and the United States shared a strong bond, with France supporting the U.S. during the American Revolution. The arrival of the Statue of Liberty marked a significant moment in American history, signifying the enduring values of liberty and unity. The unveiling ceremony of the Statue of Liberty in New York Harbor was a grand affair, attended by key figures such as President Grover Cleveland and French diplomat Ferdinand de Lesseps. Spectators were filled with awe and admiration as the majestic statue was revealed, symbolizing freedom and friendship between nations. The emotional reactions of the crowd reflected the shared values of liberty and democracy. This event not only celebrated the enduring bond between France and the United States, but also strengthened diplomatic ties, fostering a sense of unity and cooperation. The Statue of Liberty's design, by Frederic Auguste Bartholdi, was inspired by the Roman goddess Libertas, symbolizing freedom and enlightenment. The construction process in France faced engineering challenges, such as creating the intricate copper skin and assembling the massive iron framework. The iconic statue was crafted using copper sheets, supported by an iron skeleton designed by Gustave Eiffel. The materials used in its creation were carefully selected to withstand the elements and ensure the statue's longevity as a symbol of liberty and democracy. The Statue of Liberty embarked on a remarkable journey from France to New York Harbor, navigating the vast Atlantic Ocean. The logistics of transporting such a massive structure involved careful planning and coordination, with the statue disassembled into 350 pieces for the voyage. As the statue approached the United States, anticipation and excitement grew among the public, eager to welcome this symbol of freedom. Despite facing rough seas and inclement weather, the statue's arrival in New York Harbor was met with jubilation, marking a historic moment in American history. The Statue of Liberty's arrival in New York Harbor was a momentous occasion, marked by a grand ceremony welcoming the iconic symbol of freedom. The process of erecting the statue on Liberty Island involved assembling the pieces and mounting them on a pedestal designed by architect Richard Morris Hunt. As the statue took its place overlooking the harbor, the public's reaction was one of awe and reverence, recognizing the significance of this gift from France as a beacon of hope and liberty for all. The Statue of Liberty embodies profound symbolism through its torch representing enlightenment, crown symbolizing freedom, and tablet inscribed with the date of American independence. This iconic statue has transcended its origins to become a universal symbol of liberty and democracy, welcoming immigrants to the shores of America. Its enduring legacy continues to shape national identity, serving as a reminder of the values of freedom and unity that define the American spirit and inspired generations to strive for a better future.